Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the email notifications that you receive on your account from Home Depot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in homedepot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Home Depot website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Just click on this and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to turn off the notifications that you receive from the Home Depot application within your email, click on the Me icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. This will now take you into your profile settings page. Now, within the left side underneath Account Settings, click on Communication Preferences. When you tap on this, you will see various different notification categories. You can either check the ones that you want, and if you don't want to receive any notifications or emails, you can click on Unsubscribe from all marketing emails. When you choose this option, you might be asked to provide a reason from which you can choose any one that you wish and click on the Submit button. You can also uncheck all of these boxes manually yourself and click on Save Changes. And you can also unsubscribe from marketing text messages as well as survey emails. After clicking on the Unsubscribe button for all of these notifications, you will now not receive any notifications or emails from the Home Depot website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off email notifications from Home Depot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.